Okay, let's take one more exercise, and in this exercise we will learn about wrap feature. Now you will see this 3D view. We need to cut this center part with the help of wrap. You will see here there is a top view, then there is a one section view, and this is the wrap feature we have to apply. Dimensions in millimeters, circle circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, see the outer diameter, radius 35, so diameter 70, and total depth you will see here 0, 8, 13, 50 millimeter total depth. Okay, then this cutout going to start from 8 millimeter from here, and depth of this cutout 4 millimeter. What exactly this? We have to create this one and apply on this circular body. See 2 pi, this is 2 pi r. Pi into 70 is the total diameter of this. Now see the gap 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter from here means 8 millimeter from here also. I forget to add here, but this is mentioned here. 125. This side radius 30, 30. Then inside radius 15. Similarly, outside going to be 30, inside going to be 15. The gap 85.8, and this is angle 15, and gap between these two 15. Let's see how we can do this. Apply top plane, sketch, activate circle, and here keep diameter 70 millimeter. Okay. Now extrude. I want to add material to this sketch, so simply apply extruded boss base. Now see material going to add on this sketch. Now here keep end condition blind. See the arrow direction, it's perfectly. You can even drag and drop with the help of your mouse. Now here you can apply dimensions. How much? 50 millimeter. Okay. Now let's apply for wrap feature. We need sketch. Front plane, sketch. Draw a center construction line. Okay. Now let me draw one more construction line. Okay. Let's draw one random sketch. Okay. Let's apply some dimensions to this. 8 millimeter. Now angle 125. Now select this point and see the triad. This angle 55 degree. Okay. Now what else we can apply? Total length. See, equals to pi multiplied by 70. Okay. Okay. See, this is the dimensions. Just correct your drawing. Okay, let's apply fillet. First fillet 30 millimeter, and let me select these two upper. Okay, now let's change 15 millimeter, and let me select these two bottom. Okay, cancel. Smart dimension. Now this radius distance from here to here, it's 85.88. Okay, this is we done. And this angle 30 degree. Fine. Now this radius given 89.06. Okay. Let's apply offset 15 millimeter. Now keep chain, select this one edge, and you will see these options. Okay. Extend entities. Click this one and extend up to here. Trim entities. And okay, before apply trim, let's clear some important thing. Okay. Smart dimension, select bottom to this end. 8. Okay, that's fine. Draw one horizontal line and connect with this. Select this vertical line, hold shift key. This, okay, there is no line. Let me again connect one line. Select this line, equal. Okay. Vertical. Now this is perfect. Trim entity, power trim, and delete this. See? Now let me close this line. Make this line construction geometry. Similarly, do it here. If you check 15. Okay. Now I think we done. See? Exit and simply go to wrap feature. See here. Now wrap type, let's choose Deboss because I want to cut. This is the and wrap method, select analytical, not spline. Sketch selected. Here you have to select face. So I'm going to select this outer face of this cylinder. Depth keep 4 millimeter. Say okay. Look how this is beautifully cut. Now let's make this inside cutout. This inside depth you will see here 27 means 54. Depth how much you will see? First depth 13 millimeter. Then another depth. This is going to start from 32 millimeter and to the end. Then the another circle 58 and this is going to start from 13 and end with 15 means 2 millimeter. Similarly, this 58 start here 30 millimeter and 32 means 2 millimeter. Let's see how we can select this. And there are 4 number of counter bore hole, 55 through all, counter bore diameter 10, depth 4.5, 4 numbers. Select this face, sketch, circle. First circle, let me select 54. 27 into 2, it's 54. Extruded cut, I want to remove material. So first option, blind and depth only 13. Okay. Now I'm going to use the same sketch, extruded cut, but this time there is a tweak. Start condition, offset 32. Reverse. Now this is going to start 32 millimeter away from this top face, okay, and depth through all. See, this is going to start 32 millimeter from top to here and this is throughout distance. Okay. See, similarly this face, sketch. Now second circle is 58 millimeter. But extruded cut. Now here start condition 13 millimeter. Reverse direction and depth 2 millimeter. See, arrow should go downward. otherwise you will cut upside. Okay. Again, I am going to use the same sketch. Click extruded cut. This time offset 30 millimeter. And this is going to reverse, and this is going to cut up to 2 millimeter down, mean up to 32. So 30 plus 2, 32. So keep 2 millimeter blind depth. See the arrow downward side. Okay. Let me check section view. See. You will see. This is 58. This is 54. Both side. Okay. Let's make one more throughout hole. Select this face, sketch. (24). 12 radius means 24, and make it extruded cut and depth through all. Here simply choose through all. Okay. Now here we need to make one counter bore hole. Go to hole wizard, counter bore, ISO standard hexagon bolt grade, M5. Keep fit normal. 55.5 is the diameter. Now counter bore diameter 10, 4.6. This is the depth of counter bore. Through all, position. Select this face. Now we need to place at center. Okay, I forget to mention this location. Select this face, exit, line, now select both the lines, equal, construction. See, this is going to place at center. If you see the distance, 19.5. Okay. Normal view. Okay. See. Let me select circular pattern. Now, feature already selected here. Direction. You have to choose any circular edge, face or axis. Let's say this face. Equal spacing, because 360 degree, and number of patterns 4. Let me change color. Now select this bottom face, go to appearance, glass, choose here green glass, and see what exactly you will see inside. See. I hope you learned. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.